Greetings and welcome to this 3D Motive comprehensive video course on creating a 2D adventure game in Unity 5. My name is Alan Thorne and I'll be your instructor as we travel to a faraway land of magic and enchantment. In this course, I'll show you how to use Unity's powerful 2D functionality from sprites to UI for creating an atmospheric adventure game. Here we'll see how to work with 2D physics for building a player character, 2D skeletal animations, moving platforms and hazardous obstacles, particle systems and lots more. In this first part, we'll examine project creation, preparation techniques, best practice workflows, asset importing and configuration, and lots more besides. So if you're familiar with the Unity fundamentals and want to take your skills to the next level by building a 2D adventure game, then grab your traveling lantern and join me as we enter the dark depths of a mystical underworld with Unity 5.